Hi there, Dirk Peters here. Today we're going to show the new recruits that doesn't have Teamspeak installed to how to install Teamspeak. I just got a telephone in my previous session, so I had to restart it. So I already have it installed because I'm also having a clean computer from yesterday, so it's just fresh installation. Okay, so what we will do, we go to Google, switch the monitors. In Google, we're gonna type in Teamspeak, then we're gonna click on Teamspeak, then here, accept the cookies, then here, free download, choose your version, normally it will be the 64, download it, I already downloaded it, it's here, so cancelled it, so let it download, then execute the Teamspeak and start the installation. In the middle you will having the choice to install the overlay. If you want, you do it, otherwise you just skip that part and just continue with the installation. Then once it's installed, at the end you will, before you hit finish, you will having a marking that you can run, start now, so disable that, don't start it. Then once it's installed, I'm gonna go quickly back to Google because we also gonna install Steam. So I'm gonna let it search for it, voila. We're going now to our website. So when you come on our website, this is our tool. This is basically the quick guide, like you can see who's in Teamspeak already. Then when you click on on this one, you will a link will be ask you to open the client. So now the Teamspeak client automatically opens and connects to
Connected.
our server. Okay, little message. Then I'm going to go to the bookmarks, manage bookmarks, then quickly check it didn't add us, so then I'm going again, bookmarks, add bookmarks. So now then here I'll already gonna fill in my username, the rest is correct, apply, ok. Then I need to quickly go here. Always use your in-game name. So not in this game I will be called the Big Warrior, and the other one Ghost Hunter. No, keep it the same name so we know what. And you can also do a special thing if you want that. Put your real name behind it, like for example like this, but we like to know each other's names. Voila, so now you're in our channel, you have Teamspeak installed, perfect. Then now I need to quickly let me quickly see. Sleep, okay, leave it then. I'm gonna log out, I'm gonna log in later to the Teamspeak because I need to have my my taxes signed and everything, so I need to wait until JJ is online.
Disconnected.
But like I say, you can always follow that on the webpage. So, but now we're going back to Google and we're going to go to Steam to install Steam, because mainly a lot of our members play games through Steam, only the also the early access games. At the top, install, let it download. And then we have to, yeah, you can log in, but I need to check my login information. Okay, here we go. Yep. Yeah, okay, it's all in Flemish, but basically it's all the same. Next, then I'm gonna put it on, where is it? There it is. English. Yeah, I prefer installing the programs in English because if you need to debug and you have a wider range in finding solutions and answers than when I'm not gonna start it because I'm okay, but you can start it, then you can, if you don't have an account, you can create an account. If you have an account, you just fill in your user information and log in. The first time, like me, it will be a lot of work to reinstall all the games and everything. That is the disadvantage of reinstalling your computer. Sometimes you lose a little bit, but okay, that was it for the installation of Teamspeak and Steam. I hope to see you soon. So have a nice day, and I will see you later. Bye bye.